Welcome back to booth 319, where you'll find me, my friend Kara, and Young Living Essential Oils. I've already shared about the premium starter kit that comes with 12 oils and your choice of diffuser, as well as the Thieves kit in other videos, but there is one other new kit that is a temporary offering from Young Living. It's available now through the end of April. It's called the Welcome Home Kit, and I wanted to share that with you in case maybe you already have several diffusers because you've been using some other oils, but maybe you are ready to use the best oils in the world and you want to start using Young Living essential oils, but you don't want to pay full retail price. You want to get them at a discount. So this kit would be a great option for you, and it's called the Welcome Home Kit. It comes in this adorable little box with pictures of our lavender fields. We have lavender fields in Utah as well as France. And can I just say I've been to the ones in Utah and they are absolutely gorgeous. And anyone who is a Young Living member can go visit them after all this craziness is over, of course. So you get the box and all the goodies come inside the box. So the Welcome Home Kit comes with 8 oils. So you get a large bottle of tangerine oil, which is just a great, bright, sunshiny, uplifting oil. Actually, you get 4 great, bright, sunshiny, uplifting citrus oils. You also get a 15 milliliter bottle of lime essential oil. You get lemon essential oil, and lemon, in addition to diffusing it and just making your home smell super fresh and clean, one of my favorite uses for lemon oil is it gets rid of sticky residue. So if you have, something sticky, like say you purchased a picture frame and it had a sales sticker on it, and you pull it off and there's still that residue left behind, just put a drop of lemon oil on it and it will clean right off. Also, I know from personal experience that if your kids leave crayons in their pockets and it goes through the dryer and melts crayon all over the inside of the dryer drum, lemon oil will remove it. Know that one from personal experience. Also, you get a 15 milliliter bottle of grapefruit, which is another bright, sunshiny, happy oil. I think all of us can use a lot of bright, happy, sunshiny oils right now just to kind of lift our mood given current events. You also get a 5 milliliter bottle of lavender, which is great to help you relax and de-stress. You get frankincense as well, which is a very grounding oil. Frankincense and lavender are both great for your skin also. And frankincense and grapefruit together, that is one of my favorite diffuser blends. I actually call that frankenfruit for frankincense and grapefruit. It sounds like an odd combination, but it smells amazing. You also get peppermint, which is another invigorating oil. It's great for helping you focus, and there's so many great uses for peppermint. It's great to smell it if you are feeling like car sickness or something like that. Just smelling it can help settle your stomach down. And then finally, you get Valor, which is an amazing blend that was designed to instill feelings of courage and confidence. It's got a nice woodsy aroma. It's got black spruce, blue tansy, frankincense. It is amazing. I use this oil every single day. It's great to diffuse. And it also is great to wear on your wrists and your neck as a perfume or cologne. So those are the 8 oils that come with the Welcome Home Kit. You also get this wooden oil rack holder, which holds your 5 milliliter bottles in it. And then also on the back, it has a Vitality oil conversion chart. Now the oils that come with this kit are all labeled for topical and aromatic use, but Young Living does have a whole line of oils that are labeled for internal use, and those are called our Vitality oils. And it has information on here, so if you're using 1 citrus fruit juiced, you would use 10 to 15 drops of essential oil to replace that in a recipe. Or if you're using a tablespoon of herbs or spices, you would use 1 drop or less of the essential oil to substitute it in a recipe. So that's pretty cool information on there as well. You also get a Young Living lifestyle booklet, which gives you information on all kinds of stuff. It gives you tells you about Young Living, about the other products that are available that are infused with essential oils. And it is a good option, like I said, if you already have a diffuser or 2 or 3 in your house. But anyone who does purchase a Welcome Home starter kit before Sunday evening from us will also get our show special, which is the free diffuser. So you'll get another diffuser, You get the 8 oils, and this kit is $125 as opposed to $165 for the premium starter kit that comes with 12 oils and the diffuser. I do think that the premium starter kit with the oils and diffuser is a better value. You get more bang for your buck, but like I said, if you already have diffusers in your life, this is might be the right option for you. So if you have questions, be sure to drop them below or send us a message and we'd be happy to help you. Have a great day.